Spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Call it again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been lost and found. I've been on the ground. I've been hiding out while shouting out. You would open up. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Call it again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been in the cold. I've been digging gold.
No luck?
Been crying out. Been lying about.
Okay, but introduce yourself. What's your name again? What's your name again?
Pavle.
Pablo, we're on his property right now, looking for the drone. And we lost it, unfortunately, but kind of a nice place to lose your drone.
Savin Kuk
Savin Kuk?
That would be my guess. In Durmitor. I think it is in the national park there.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to, I think, our last video of our trip in Montenegro. So we have decided to go north, and it has been probably one of the most spectacular rides we've ever been on. I compared it to our some of the rides in Alaska, and if you haven't seen those videos, go back and check those out, especially the one from Valdez, because the scenery is so similar. But anyway, so we were here for a couple days and to do some hiking. Again, we're on shoulder season, and so we are really discovering that nobody is around. So we'll see how this goes. Lots of hiking in Durmitor National Park. So today we are at the ski resort Savin Kuk, K-U-K, not really too sure how to pronounce that. And we're gonna head up a hike. Hopefully you see the end of this video and we survive. It goes through a forest. Don't know if there's bears. We have no bear spray. And then hopefully we get to the point where we can see Black Lake in National Park. So we're gonna finish our lunch first and see how this goes. Okay, so from what we've read, we think we're heading up here. Oh, hello. We think we're heading up there and then somewhere over there. Okay, what are we thinking?
Well, I think this trail's going to go into the backcountry of a completely desolate ski area. If something were to happen, nobody knows where we are, and nobody's going to find us, and nobody is even going to know.
Yeah.
So I think we should probably go on a better marked trail.
Okay, maybe go back to Black Lake.
Yeah.
I think so. I think we have to follow my intuition. Our intuition. Yeah. If it doesn't feel right, then don't do it. Except we just see two people. Maybe they're gonna go on a hike. If they go, then we'll go. Hello,
Really, guys?
Oh my God.
What are we doing here? This one is.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we might not get to hike, but look what we're experiencing.
And look at this guy's where
Hello.
she decided to stop. She.
Oh my gosh. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. Okay, we obviously found the popular hiking spot. Okay, so we made it to Black Lake. I guess that's the one that we're gonna do. To be perfectly honest, I don't know if these are well marked out, like all the hiking. Do you think?
No, I haven't seen a hiking trail yet.
Not really. But anyway, so for sure, this is the most touristy and easy walk. So I guess we're going to do an easy walk today. It's 4 kilometers around Black Lake. We're going to try and sneak off to another lake. Again, talking in front of a camera. Another lake that sneaks off, or another trail that sneaks off into another lake. So anyway, we're going to have an easy hike today, but regardless, we're in nature. We're in Durmitor National Park, and it's really pretty. Okay, so this is the easy trail. These Europeans have a different thinking about what easy is. And by the way, I take back the fact that they're not clearly marked. They're clearly marked. Okay, so this day has been a bit of a boondoggle. Would you agree with me? What do you think? I don't think you can say that on YouTube. Anyway, okay, so definitely on the wrong trail again. So I go back to my original thinking, and the trails need to be marked. Anyway, we're gonna go back and find the trail that we hope just goes around the lake. My God.
I think you just hop along the rock. What's that, dear?
Good morning, everyone. So it is day 2 in our adventures of Durmitor National Park. If you ever get to Montenegro, you have to come here. It is absolutely stunning. kind of compares to, I think, our rocky area in our Rocky Mountains in Canada / a little bit of Alaska. It's stunning. Anyway, so we just are staying actually outside a little town called, oh my goodness, honey, what is it? Zablajak? I think that's how you say it.
Zablak, I think it's called.
You know, we look these things up on pronunciation sites and we still screw them up. But anyway, and it's a really cute ski resort town. I recommend staying outside of the town in the area that we are at, and I can link that below in the description box, because it's gorgeous countryside. The town is wonderful too, but I just like staying outside of it. And anyway, we had breakfast. It was a lovely little breakfast, and now we're going to go on a second hike, and there's a map and everything. Very adventurous even just getting here. Where are we gonna hike today, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna hike, I think it's Zmijine Lake. J.E. Lake. Again, I'll put that in the description box below. Oh my. Do you think this is the path?
These are the cliffs. And they only said it was like a kilometer or something, so I think this is it. It's a tiny bit, a little smaller.
Okay, everyone, hike number 2 for the day. This one is to see a canyon. I think, oh my God, wait till you see it. I think it's called Suravac. And basically you take the road to the parking lot, and then you're gonna hike a kilometer up to the peak so you can take a look at this incredible canyon. So it's a little bit gnarly, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Wait till you see this view.
Wow. Pretty nice.
Yes? Get going, babe.
Good
Morning, guys.
After leaving the national park, we took a short drive to check out Terra Canyon. If you are in the area, it really is a must. Not only is it a beautiful view, but there's a lot to do in the area, like ziplining and rafting. Don't forget to check out our other videos on Montenegro, everyone, and subscribe to come along on our next adventure. Cheers!